Hi everyone. It is day 5. Day 5 of countdown to summer. So got my trusty little doggy here. It is day 5 and it is Jeans Day. Pinkee Jean. So this is because being a kid is fun. Okay, I can read that. Start over. My bad. Okay, let's see what it is. How fun. Crystal llama. That's fun. I'll have to try that. And a popper. Woohoo! Summertime fun. I might have to try the llama. That'll be fun. So I have a blessing for today. Let's read a little blessing card. Today's blessing is the blessing of the Lord be upon you. Numbers 6:24. The blessing of the Lord be upon you. What a wonderful little blessing. Oh, I wish this thing would focus on me. Goodness. It's a little better. Not so much better. There it is. Oh, goodness. And I'll be blurred out. So that's a wonderful little blessing. I like that one. That's a good one to pass on. Hope everyone's having a fabulous day. And don't forget to go down below. Check out the links. Go see Pinkee Jean and Kel's Mail Joy or Kel's Kitchen to see what they got for day 5. So thanks again. And I have a little picture of my findings today out in our yard. I went picking for berries. And so I got some of those, and my husband collected a couple of eggs and some blueberries from our yard. So that was today. Fun day. So thanks again. Come back tomorrow. Bye-bye.